Jamie here, and Harley and I wanted to share with you what we do to have fun up here at the farm. So she's already buckled up in the RZR. As you can see, there's the house, and if you look just a little bit towards the left, you can see the barn. All right, are you ready? You can speak, kid. All right, guys, hold on. Here we go. Everything that you can see off this video is part of our property. Part of the property. Yeah.
Horses are gone.
Yep. They were putting them in the trailer. I don't know where they're taking them. Maybe they're going on a show or something. Today is Saturday, so that's normally when shows and that are going on in the weekends. Our ponds. These are the newer two ponds. This one here and the one on the other side. So here you can see both of them side by side. What are you doing about?
The bite got on my leg.
Oh,
I don't like that.
such a baby.
Good.
Keep it up. I'll go through the swamp right there. Arshy man. But it's okay when you do it, huh? That ain't right, girl. Harley, pay attention to what we're looking at. show you why it's my favorite spot. Look at that view. You can see 90% of the farm property from sitting right here. This is actually where I took the pictures at yesterday, and I posted them on Facebook. This is just the awesomest spot of the property because you can see it all. I love sitting up here and just letting Harley go on her razor, and I can see her almost the entire time she's out. So, all right, guys, we're going to continue on with our tour. Big drop off.
Of course, we're not going into it, Ma.
No. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it off the video, but it goes in about 5 feet or so, and then it does a complete drop off. And that drop off is a street down below the property line. I think right here's a good place that I'd be able to easily show you. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll try to zoom in. There's the street. You can see like the guardrails for the street. So, just shows there are 4 roads within the property. Well, you just saw a big truck going by. All right. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
From right here, you can see 2 ponds. You can see the barns. You can see the house, you can see Grandpa's van and our truck and trailer. All right, Harley, what do you want? The road or the mush?
Mush. It's also better.
All right, guys, gotta hold in. Harley, make sure the camera's inside the vehicle so it doesn't get the mud. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Right over there, across the street, that's more property. Matt's over there cutting right now. What do you say to Harley? Because this is where you wrecked last year?
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is the bottom part of the property. Well, one of the bottom parts.
That's the same exact tree right there.
Harley came down there, decided to full throttle it, and crashed right into the tree.
Not very proud of it anymore.
She had actually flipped the machine upside down.
Don't know how I did it.
Alright guys, so right here you can also see there's another road and there's a nice big stream. See the stream? And there's the road. You can actually see the house and a car right there too, across the street.
Muddy over here. No, we ain't going through that, Ori.
Why not?
Go ahead, I guess.
Make sure you got the thing inside. Camera inside. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
That smells like fruity pebbles and mud. Now we can go on the road this time.
On the road this time. What Harley, Dakota, and I do to have fun here at the farm. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as we do. Talk to you later, guys. Have a great day.